Hi guys, today we're going to focus on pronouns. Pronoun is a word that replaces the noun. And you can't keep saying nouns all the time, like Sid, Lee, all the time. You have to put a pronoun sometime. Like in this sentence, Sid is going to school. Sid likes to play football. You're just saying Sid so much. Instead of the second Sid being Sid, you could just put a he. That is a pronoun. Okay. I, you, he, she, they, it, and we are all pronouns. I in particular is focusing on yourself. You're telling about yourself, and you can't always say like my name, Samia. You can't always say my name. Okay? You have to add a pronoun in. Then you have to say I am Samia. I am a good student, okay? For you, your focus is just like yourself. It's just like I. But you're just focusing on someone else. Okay? Means if you can't always say the name, like if you're in a group, you just can't say Leah, Emma, Emmy, Lily. You can't always say the names because they will get confused. Means if there was two girls that have the same name, they'll get confused. Means you have to say you. Okay? With he and she. They're pretty much the same, but they're just a boy and a girl. Okay, like if she is doing her work, he is a good student. You're putting it like that because you can always say their name, like Emily is a good student. Alex is a great at mathematics. You can't always say this. You have to say he and she. They're pretty much the same thing, except there's one thing different in particular. They're spelled different and they mean different things. One is a boy and one is a girl. Okay, carrying on, they. Like if we are in a group and I didn't know with someone, I have to say they. They are great at work. They have good brains. They have a great big brain. Okay? Means like you can't always say the group has a great big brain. You can't always say that. Means that's kind of being weird. Okay? Carrying on, it. Like I have a water bottle here, and it is an object. You can't always say the water bottle is an object. It doesn't really make sense. Okay, putting that back. With a we, like we're in a group. It's like we are together. You can't only say Alex, me, the IT teacher. You can't always say their names. Okay? It means you have to say the word we. I, he, and she are used for one person only. Means you're only focusing on that one person. Okay? We and they are used for more than one person. Okay? It is used for things or animals. You can be used for singular or plural. Let's always recover everything we learned. Okay? Let's start it again and see if you understand. A pronoun is a word that replaces the noun in sentences. The pronoun can be I, you, he, she, they, it, and we. Okay, like in the example, Sid is going to school. Sid likes to play football. You can't always say the noun like Sid is something, Sid is that, Sid is this. You can't always say it. It means you have to put one of the Sids or few other Sids with a pronoun. Okay? Next, I, he, and she are used for only one person. You're only focusing on that one person. Okay? We and they're focusing on more than one person, like a group. It is used for things or animals. Okay, you can be used for singular or plural. Okay, I hope you like this video and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Press that bell button for more notifications for more videos, and comment down below for any questions. Bye.